Mentah kasngi ka arfu arterik nailar arajar arfunrio keladan kajingalang hapdeng ka sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam hakoina dhara State Guest House banyak keren halor kajingja hakakat kandai tering kalami kajing kelumar hakanong ba Shillong na kajing ya pai ba bala pelong da khasi Students Union hakakat kandai tering nailar arajar arfunrio hakani kajing ya keren na kaliang jong kajala Meghalaya lalam khmat da usumbut menteri rang ba kajala uba sniaw bhalang dhar bat ya kajala Assam lalam khmat da menteri kabinet u Atul Bora hakajing ya donlang ki Officer na boro ar kijela kani kajing keren ya kai ka balami na kajing klumar ha kakar khandai trik nailar arajar arfunrio kalane hadu lai kenta ha kani kajing lang ki lai keren sani kumnu bonon ra abyang ya kajing ya bai ya renti ha kalej kawan bat ban penne ya ka shong suk shong san ha bakran ha kilat pathai khubor boro arngot ki menteri usumbut menteri rang ba kajela Meghalaya uloong balakem ya ki lai ngut kinong yalam ka seng KSU kita kilong u president u vice president bat u general secretary lakem ya ki kaba penteri kam ya ka an Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act uloong hakabaya dei bakati kajingja ladon khat santeli ki ejahar bala ujor hadu menta lala ban ithu ya sangut ki balatan durkhman ki baladon kti ban punjulor ya ki kali Assam haka khat khandai tarik nailar arajar arfunrio ka sorkar Meghalaya kala thau ya ka special investigation team banwat ya baro kitu kibrio baladon kti haka sngi ya paiba ka KSU bat ban pensitom ya ki katkum ka an usumbut menteri rangba uloong ba hadu ta lasenran daki pulet ke jala Meghalaya hadu lai hajar nyau spa nyau pauteli ki kali badon ya u number Assam ban penpoi suk ya kisha Assam layo san pasauteli ki phun na ki hispa nyau sangun na ki arfu arteli ki kali shimet bat san teli ka kali tourist bat ha control room layo lai spa nyau khandai teli ki phun ya ka balai rap ban penpoi suk ya kisha Assam ki kali balasakun ki badan ha pedang sauspa nesan spa teli ha umyam yaki en sa ajing ada ban penpoi suk yaki shajalla jongki hapo sawupra kenta hakani kajingalang labu ru yaki number ba ladadon kam ban phun ban yo ya kajingrap WhatsApp number udai khandai iwei pra iwei not iwei saw pra bat ulan line number udai not line riu iwei khandai ar lai pra iwei san iwei kini ki number kin trekam hadu bandawan biang ka shong suk shong san hakani kajingalang larai bandon daka permanent level district level joint committee hapdeng u deputy commissioner ka nongpo bat u deputy commissioner ka Kamrup metropolitan nalor kani kandon ru ka joint committee on tourist transport hakaba kindon lang ru kidakhot bapanya ya ki kali tourist kani kalong ban pentikana ya kajingya ben ki kali hapdeng kini ki artli ki jilla ka sorkar Assam bat ka sorkar Meghalaya kan shim ya baro kilat kelinti ban pentikana bakandon kajingya ben hakalej kawan ki kali hapdeng kini ki artli ki jilla bat larai ba ki sorkar jala kin shim ya kajing kit khli ban ai kajing shngan ya baro ki kali tourist na ka jala Assam bat na ki wei ki banta kari India ki bawan sham Meghalaya.
A joint meeting between the governments of Meghalaya and government of Assam was held today the 22nd August at Konenara State Guest House to deliberate upon developments following the incidents in Shillong on 19 August 2026. The meeting was led by the Honorable Deputy Minister Bumi from Meghalaya Sri Asdar and the Honorable Minister's Government of Assam Sri Atul Bora and was attended by the senior officer of both the state governments. After detailed deliberations lasting more than 3 hours, and the meeting arrived at the following major decisions. 1. Yes, Government of Meghalaya has sincerely regretted the unfortunate incidents of 19 August 2026 in Shillong and are sure to take strong actions against those who are involved. Arrest of the KSU leaders. The Government of Meghalaya apprised the meeting that the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the Khasi Student Union have been arrested by invoking the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Acts. 3. FIR registered. The Government of Meghalaya informed that 15 FIR have been registered so far in connection with the incidents of 19 August 2026. Identifications of the miscreants. 5 masked persons have so far been identified as being involved in the incidents of 19 August 2026, particularly in the attacks on the Assam registered vehicle. Constitution of the Special Investigation Team. The Government of Meghalaya informed that a special investigation team has been constituted to identify all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for the attacks on Assam registered vehicle, and to ensure that prosecutions in accordance with the law. Self-movement of Assam registered vehicles. More than 3,720 Assam registered vehicles have already been safely escorted out of Meghalaya into Assam so far. Distress call and evacuations. The Assam Control Room has received 54 distress calls involving 175 persons who are being assisted in evacuations, and these include 22 private vehicles and 5 tourist vehicles. And the government of Meghalaya informed that its control room has received 379 distress calls so far, and steps taken to assist them for their safe transit. And movement of standard vehicles. Most of the standard travelers and vehicles, including approximately 400 to 500 vehicles that were earlier held out in Meghalaya, have successfully crossed key transit corridor, including the Umiam Lake sections, and completions of evacuations within 48 hours. Any passenger or vehicle yet to be transferred to Assam will be safely escorted and transferred within the next 48 hours. Dedicated exercise will be undertaken to ensure that every tourist or vehicles wishing to return to Assam is facilitated and safely escorted. Dedicated coordination by establishing hotline. It was agreed to establish a dedicated coordination mechanism between the IG Special Branch Assam and the IG Law and Order Meghalaya, along with dedicated helplines. An online support forum will also be activated to assist in locating and facilitating standard individuals. WhatsApp number is +91 81014 888, and landline number is 0361 2381 511. This mechanism shall remain operational until the situation is fully normalized. Permanent district level joint committees. And permanent district level joint committee will be constituted comprising the Deputy Commissioners Nongpok and Deputy Commissioner Kamruk Metropolitans, along with the police officer of the corresponding level from both districts, and to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. Menurut ay budaya baru di ang chief minister ini baru chief minister dari Assam, baru chief minister dari Malaysia dari sama chief kiai isu. Nama baru ini don ini jenis bah bangsa tenar atau ini apa sih berada? Negara chief kiai pun disorot nama bah minso kuat minso lak penting bagi dunia positif sofar kampan kebenaran bang kebenaran dan ini berdua. Nilai warna tulis ini dekat dengan Chief Secretary bagi Principal Secretary Home bagi Komisaris Secretary Gubernur dan lang berkili di bangsa. Hadin lain kita minta ini yang bagi kerja di bagi Government of Assam, Government Kalian, dapat kau supplement bah habukut kajikan kalau bahasa Iso. Kau ilon kat bani bagi hari berkat anda yang aku di situ dengan pembangunan dan serta ini. Dan kat bani bagi ini nak iaitu và đơn các cơ quan đi ra là lại kèm cả công việc đặc biệt đơn bắt các cơ quan đi mà học cái mà mình học ấy là cái link đi social media là ban cái dulu juga army sokar mamba min persyang di ban ban rakyat di sukesan kumbujuan kau ini suatu kelak pendon ke di mungkin các cơ quan yang kau nilai sanksi yang di suatu bergani jadi juga continue kan semsutom anu kabang anu kadi anu kompeni nama anu and hadin juga discussion untuk mulai kita bagi government official from Assam bagi government official from state kami bila positif untuk beberapa min persang negara sokar min mungkin nok namanya setempat besok berjaya di Singapore berada. Dah itu ingin question bah kuno bila ini bah involve itu ruang dari polis juga perlu mengetahui sedang under proses, under job, namun itu berarti itu juga kita mengenai nak persen bahwa negara itu polis. Jadi kita perlu tinggi. Disa contoh ini don't be group di belak punduk kuning step balai bio bang bio ni ke bang di sana so mending secara bang dengan government Assam very positive positive discussion community ba KK baroi kinang gobeng dia naburo ke jingerpa jadi punduk state kami berkunjung ya barok di sing malang tau minum bajajai hindi melong kasih kalau isu hari lah menuan sokar kejingkang kami nani semua ikutiur dan kalau badon bang sahun tu hari once month kalau main ini kan hampir pun sudah kena jadi gini kan ini sih hari maka minggu sudah kali aku mungkin more or less kalau kedai keken belum kemudian twin hari cekat menentai kalau normal sih kan tu mujur lohi aja ke bang kan semua